guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. For today's video, I want to share a new product I got from Olivian website, which is this shading. Actually, I made a video like sharing this product unboxing, but the mic didn't work, so I was a bit frustrated because the mic didn't work, so I need to refilm. In the first video, I shared how I do contouring and just gonna talk about a bunch of stuff about shading routine and my new products I got from Olivian website. So that's the thing I wanna share with you guys and try to share out myself because that really sucks. I shared how to do the contouring with you guys and that's the thing I really wanted to share, but I just finished my makeup, so that's the sad part. Anyway, without much further ado, let's get right into it. Actually, a few days ago, I dropped my shading and that was broken into pieces and my heart broke into pieces like that. So I purchased this new shading from Kbeauty. I used Olivian website, although there are a lot of Olivian stores near my house, because I wanted to get this edit drawing eyebrow pencil, but they are sold out, so I used the website. Anyway, it was just 10 bucks, less than 10 bucks, but I was really impressed with the quality of this brush. How cute it is very small, so I can use this one to shade. There are 3 colors here. The color name is almond brown and this is the first color. There are 3 colors in this product. I use this like here and here and I mean the outline of my face, and I don't do nose shading usually, but I also tried using this brush like here and here because I like my nose and I feel like I don't need nose shading, but I just tried. Maybe that's gonna help. Makes my nose look sharper, like this part looks smaller. So I did. You can see it gives a nice dimension to my face, so I really like shading stuff. It's a bit shame because I cannot share you guys the makeup process, but I just used like mix them up and I just apply here like this and here this part and a little bit of nose area. And I finished my makeup with this blush because literally I cannot live without blush, and these are one of my favorite beauty products as well. I cannot pick one of them, sorry. I like all the beauty products, I guess. It's from 3CE Style Nanda. The color name is Rose Brown. It's such a nice color for fall, but actually I got this in the summer and I think it's a good color for ladies like me. I'm not a girl anymore, so I apply this like very pretty toned down rosy color. But most of their products from 3CE, their color is very strong, so you have to be careful about that. I just use one touch, but you can see color looks very strong. And also use this brush on my nose because I like to put blush on my nose. That makes me look cuter and younger and fresh in my opinion. Yeah, so that's the makeup I shared in the first place, but yeah, the mic didn't work. That happened a lot. I thought I checked, but I literally checked, but I don't know, it worked, but there were a lot of noises. You cannot hear anything like zzz, that kind of sound. Anyway, I also got this makeup, this toner pad from Guro. The English name is Hutunia Cordata Calming Toner Pad. I don't know how to call that in English, but we call that Osongcho, which is good for calming my skin. I shared my skincare routine and I told you guys I use this kind of product to wipe out my makeup stuff after I get home from work because I really want to take all my makeup off, but I'm busy taking off my clothing, preparing my dinner and tidying my room, so literally I don't have much time. I mean, I'm just kind of lazy and I just don't want to splash some water to remove my makeup right after getting home. That's me. So I use this one to remove some of my makeup. Definitely I wash my face when I'm having shower, but it's like a first process, you know. I think this kind of product is better instead of using makeup remover if you want to use that kind of purpose, because it also gives some nice moisture to my face. So I stock up a lot of this kind of stuff in my vanity, but I always try different brands products. So I went with this. I know this brand, so very excited. Yeah, and I also got these eyebrow pencils from Antiaging, and this also EyebrowCara. The color name is Choco Brown. I also make a comparison video about this guy, so if you guys are interested in, you guys can check. I put the link in my description box below. Actually, I used both of the products right now. I used this EyebrowCara at first, and then I used this pencil, kind of look a little bit more sharper, especially the end of my eyebrow, because I used the EyebrowCara in the gym because I sweat a lot, and after running my eyebrows are gone if I use this type of pencil. So I use this one for my gym session. It lasts longer, so that's the point, but it's a bit expensive, a bit comparing to this, because it's $6 around, is on sale. So that's the reason why I buy that, although I have one. And these are $7, but they are $2 because they are on clearance sale. So I got 4 and I gave one of them to my mom. So that's the whole thing I got from Olivia website, and my frustration go away a bit, you know, although I lost my video clip like sharing my makeup stuff, but I spoke everything I want to share with you guys, so I feel productive. And actually it's a bit cold, you know, it's getting cold, but I don't know why I picked up this clothing, very short sleeve and showing some part of my skin. Actually my first plan was making a fashion video like what I'm wearing for fall. I was not really motivated to make that, and I need to kind of sort out the winter and fall clothing, but I didn't do that. I was a bit lazy deciding what kinds of clothing for shooting, so I didn't. But I want to make a kind of a fall fashion video, so if you're interested in, just stick around. Yeah, so these are all the things I want to share with you guys. I hope you guys like it, and comment down below if you guys want to see my entire process for my everyday makeup. My makeup process is very simple because I like keep everything simple and easy to follow. If that's too complicated and difficult, I know I'm not gonna do that. Although I really enjoy doing my makeup, I've got many stuff to do, so I just don't want to spend too much time doing just makeup. Doesn't make sense. That's me. Yeah, so thanks for watching it again. If you guys are new, I'm Emma. I create fashion video, lifestyle and fitness related video every week, so don't forget to subscribe my channel, follow me on Instagram, and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet. And if you guys have any video requests on reviewing Korean beauty stuff or other beauty products, just comment down below. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.